Welcome to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Alley in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down to earth living. Hi, it's Alley in the Valley. Welcome back, and it is the top of the year, January. I love the beginning of the year because we can reboot, restart, you can do that all time of year, but I love having an excuse to really spend some time thinking about the new year. And for New Year's, in Southern culture, black-eyed peas are good luck. So for one of my recipes, I'm gonna make a delicious black-eyed pea sausage collard green soup. Normally I just make my regular black-eyed peas, which are tasty too. Last year I made a black-eyed pea salad. So this year I'm gonna make a black-eyed pea soup with sausage and collard greens. So Happy New Year. Let's get it cracking. 2019 is already shaping up to be a fantastic year. And just remember, if you put your mind to it, you can do it. So for my black-eyed peas salad, I'm gonna do a tablespoon of olive oil. And then I'm gonna turn on the heat because I need to turn on the heat to cook anything. All right, we're gonna do a tablespoon of olive oil, and we're gonna put the sausage in. You can do chicken sausage if you don't want regular sausage. Spicy, this is spicy sausage because we like spicy food. So those are about 4 sausages cut up. And then I'm going to do onions, just white Maui onions. I did 1 onion. Hey, Chloe and Sammy over there, sit down. I see you over there acting crazy. I'm gonna do 2 celeries cut up and carrots. And I'm gonna let all this saute and get soft before I start adding my other ingredients. I'm gonna let that cook for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add garlic, fresh garlic, which I absolutely love, my favorite. And I'm going to use thyme, which I love. You know, for me, herbs, fresh herbs in your recipe make the difference of good food and great food, okay? Black-eyed peas in the South are known, you're supposed to eat them on New Year's Day for good luck. Smells so good. Next up is going to be chicken broth. So I'm using low sodium chicken broth, but any kind of chicken broth. It's really 4 cups, which this equals out to about 4 cups. I'm going to add 2 cans of tomato. You can do fresh tomatoes. I'm doing canned. And then I'm gonna bring this all to a boil and then turn it down to simmer. Then I'm gonna put my collard greens in. All right, so now it's for the collard greens in here. I love me some collard greens. I'm a Southern girl. Well, I'm technically a West Coast girl, but my roots are Southern, so let them simmer for like 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna put a bay leaf in there for seasoning. And why not a little oregano? Why not? My black-eyed peas sausage collard green soup. I actually put the black-eyed peas and boiled them took them to a high boil and let them sit for an hour so they're soft. You could do it overnight too, the old-fashioned way, but I did the quick way. Or you could use canned black-eyed peas. I'm gonna put a little parsley in here, and we are ready to eat. We'll be right back so I can get my champagne toast ready. Well, it's 2019. Happy New Year. I'm super excited about 2019. It is the universal year of number 3, which means your innermost desires, you're supposed to project and make happen. Like I always say here with my kids, and I'm Alley in the Valley, if you put your mind to it, you can do it. My black eyed pea, collard green, sausage soup is done. Let's put a little parsley on it. Parsley is good on everything. Put a little hot sauce if you want. I don't think I really need it because I used spicy sausage, but I'm super excited about this year. Thank you for all the followers. This year's setting up to be a great year here at Allie in the Valley and just in general. I'm gonna taste it. It's hot, that's good.